Welcome to Mad City Money, a simulation for students on budgeting. Congratulations, you graduated, maybe got married and landed a job. You also have goals, expenses, and bills. Now you need to budget so you know just how much of your hard-earned money you can spend on a day-to-day living expenses and, of course, how much you can save for future needs and wants. First thing you're going to do is select your career. In this example, my life in the future as a teacher. My monthly take-home salary is $2,910. My spouse's occupation is a truck driver, and my spouse's monthly take-home salary is $2,760. Don't worry, all taxes have been deducted from the income, so you don't have to worry about that. Each occupation comes with obligations. Some have student loan payments, medical insurance, credit card debt, and some of you may have children. The next thing you're going to do is get your My Budget worksheet, and the directions for this are use this worksheet to determine how much money you will allocate to each category on My Spending and Savings Plan. Visit all the Mad City merchants and make purchases. Visit the merchants in order or in any order. Remember to balance your account every time you make a transaction. Complete the My Spending and Savings Plan by the end of the session. Your goal is to end up with no more than $100 in your checking account. That means you can't be overdrawn. It also means that any money in excess of $100 must be put in savings, used to reduce debt, or spent on your goals. For the My Income section, you're going to take your salary and key that in there. You're going to put your salaries take home if you're married. Then you're going to put in your student loan debt, your medical insurance, and then if you have any credit card debt. We'll pause here for you to fill out that My Budget worksheet. Next is My Income. You're going to record each transaction and you're going to calculate your balance. And you'll key in your income. That is your total monthly household income, including you and your spouse if married. You're going to enter the final amounts on the My Spending and Savings Plan at the top. Next, what you want to do is select your housing, realty, and utilities. Each one of these is different, so you'll need to look at your income to see what you can afford each month. Your large house, you're looking at a mortgage of $1,140 a month. Your large apartment in complex, you're looking at 2 bedrooms, $840 a month. Medium house, 3 bedrooms, you're looking at $840 a month as well. Small apartment building, you're looking at 1 bedroom, that's $600 a month. Manufactured home, 3 bedrooms, that's $420 a month. Each one of these also has lot fee or electricity and heating, water and sewer, and home insurance. So take a look at that, as well as the phone, cable, and the internet packet, which one that you want. And we'll pause here for you to make your selection. Next is your big wheels, new and used. This is your transportation. You will want to select transportation for yourself and for your spouse. You have the new luxury car. That's a $960 a month payment. So you want to make sure you look at your budget to see if you can afford that. Sedan, $450 a month payment. A used vehicle, $250 a month payment. An older car, it's paid for, so you don't have a monthly payment. However, you do have car insurance and gas and your average repair cost. A new pickup, you're looking at $460 a month. Or you can take the bus, and that's only a $60 a month bus pass. So you can make that selection yourself based on your budget. And I will pause here so that you can do that. Next is You've Got to Eat, food and dining. You'll want to select one choice of food for each week, select at least one eating out choice, and select one drinks on the go option for yourself and one for your spouse. You have your high cost foods. These are your specialty restaurants, your steaks, your beefs, your pork chops. These are the expensive things. You've got your medium cost food. That's your spaghetti, pizza, taco, fish, and chips. Your low cost food, casseroles, meatloaf, soups, macaroni and cheese. Then you have your eat out fast food restaurant. That's $25 a visit for the whole family. Then you have your eat out at a nice restaurant. That's $50 a visit for you and your spouse. Drinks on the go. If you stop every day, you're going to spend $90 a month. If you only do once a week, you're going to do $20 a month. If you stock up at the grocery store, you're paying $15 a month. That's all based on your budget. We will pause here for you to go ahead and make your selection. Remember to balance your account every time you make a transaction. Next is your fun stuff. You want to select at least 2 activities for each person age 2 or older in your household. Only 1 activity per person may be free. You can visit the zoo, that's free admission. Camping out, $120. Going to the movie, that's $7 a person, $5 to share popcorn. You can go to the carnival, $12 a person for a few rides, $25 a person for many rides. Go bowling, $6 person per game. Or you can read, that's free, you already have a library card. We'll pause here for you to go ahead and make your selection. Next is the home stuff. You want to select 1 from each category for your home. 1 selection from furniture. You can select fine furniture, ordinary furniture, or hand-me-downs. You decide. Decorative, select 1. Household needs, make sure you select 1 of those. And we'll pause here for you to make your selection. My closet. Select 1 clothing option and 1 personal care option for both you and your spouse. Depends on how much you want to spend per month on clothing. You will select which package that you want that's best for your budget. Make sure you select 1 from clothing and 1 from personal care. We'll pause here for you to make that choice. Remember to balance your account every time you make a transaction. Next is your kid care. Formula is required for children 1 year old or younger. Diapers are required for children 3 years old and younger. Make 1 selection from clothing, childcare, and presents. Again, if you have a child that's 1 year or younger, you're going to want formula, so you'll want to put $120 in your budget a month. If your child is 3 years old and younger, you'll want to have diapers. And then clothing for your child, you can decide which one you want to use there. You'll also want to select childcare, as well as presents, books, and toys. We'll pause here so that you can make those decisions. Next is the Mad City Mall. These optional purchases and charitable contributions. If you want to buy a TV, you can select a big screen or a 27-inch TV, depending on your budget. There's charitable donations. You can decide if you want to do that as well. If you want a brand new tablet, sports equipment and fees, these are per person. If you want to purchase a motorcycle or a sound system, you can make those selections now. Next is an unexpected windfall. You can receive 2 windfalls. First is remember the oldies. You sell some old movies you no longer want to the prior owned store. Next is thank you grandpa. Your grandfather gives you $100 as a birthday present. Weekend work. A family friend gives you a temporary job for 1 weekend counting inventory at a store. Rebate reward. You submit receipts to a drugstore chain and receive a rebate check in the mail. My thoughts count. You participate in a focus group at a local restaurant. They pay you for your opinions. And big change. You put all your change into a piggy bank every day. At the end of the month, you count it. You do receive 2 of those, so we'll pause here for you to make your selection. Uh-oh, I didn't plan for this. You owe 2 unexpected bills. You can make a selection between such a deal. Even though the holidays are a long way off, you find gifts for family and you go ahead and buy those on sale. You love cookies. Girl Scout cookies come around once a year. You purchase those cookies. I thought you put it in my pocket. You lock your keys inside your car and you have to pay to have it opened. Stop chewing ice. You need to have your tooth fixed. You don't have dental insurance. You ruined a pair of jeans. You spill barbecue sauce on your friend's best jeans and the stain won't wash out. You need to buy jeans to replace the ones you've ruined. And you want me to wear what? Your brother is getting married and wants you to be in the wedding party. You have to buy a new suit or dress. We'll pause here for you to make your selection, and you have to pick 2. Complete the My Spending and Savings Plan by the end of the session. Your goal is to end up with no more than $100 in your checking account. It also means that any money in excess of $100 must be put in savings, used to reduce debt, or spent on your goals. Welcome to real life. Welcome to Mad City Money. If you've enjoyed this seminar, please visit us at www.newmarkcu.org for more information and more free seminars that Newmark has to offer.